Hello guys and girls. I just want to highlight another feature from GetResponse. GetResponse's web forms. You can use these tools to grow your business. Why use these web forms? Well, these web forms are designed for branding, engagement with your customers, and of course conversions where you will get more sales. GetResponse continually updates and really adds to these web forms all the time and really enhancing them along the way. So let's just take a look at some of these web forms that GetResponse has. And if you are not signed up for GetResponse, you won't be able to see these in detail like I'm about to show you. But I'm making this video to let you see a little bit behind the scenes, perhaps before you come to a decision to purchase or subscribe to this membership. The web forms are such as this. Let's just go ahead and look at them. And you have these apps here, these templates. This is a list builder wizard, which is pretty much the ready-made template version of building web forms. And this gives you a look at them. And also real quick, up here is the plain HTML format where you can start from scratch in building these forms. And these are applications that you can tie in to these forms. Just a quick overview there. But to show you how advanced GetResponse is when it comes to web forms, really they're landing pages, pop-ups, whatever you want to call them, to get your individual to sign up for whatever offer you may have and whatever business. But if you look over here to the left is the title and name of some of the templates that they offer. You have your general templates, and then you have your free course sign up templates. It gives really just a number of them you can choose from. Free download templates. So many categories, so many offers there. Seasonal, you come up during holiday season if you have a special offer that you're offering. So many different things here. So let's look at all templates here. And as you scroll through them, see the way they're just nicely designed. And real quick, let's just pick one for the fitness level. If we pick that one, as it's loading up, I just want to show you how easy it is to go in and edit these forms. So basically you just click on it. You can move it around and position it wherever you want. But if you click on it, here, let's see if we can pull on it here. Okay, let's just delete it. It's not wanting to let me move it around too much. But if we delete it a little bit, then we can put it in there. My fitness blog. Get the spelling right there. But you see how easy it is. You can go in and format and change these things around and move them around. And when you go ahead and save over here on the right, save up here and publish this, you'll have access to the HTML code for this this form, and you can paste this form in your website. So if you're using, a lot of people use ClickFunnels to build sales funnels. Some people use Thrive Themes. Like I use Thrive Themes, is great as well. And as far as I'm concerned, Thrive Themes is sort of underutilized and not mentioned as much by people when it comes to sales funnels, and they're a lot cheaper than ClickFunnels. So if you're also interested in that, I could send a link or put a link in there for Thrive Themes if you want to build a blog with wonderful capabilities similar to GetResponse when it comes to building websites and landing pages as well. So it's a great feature also. So that's it, guys. When it comes to web forms with GetResponse, it's really some great tools out there that they offer. Easy to format, easy to change, and make it your own for your business. So click the link in the description to try GetResponse for 30 days. It's a free trial, and if you don't like it, you can unsubscribe or get rid of it. But I know for a fact you really like it. So try it out today. Click that link in the description, and we'll see you in the next one, guys.